Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be designing the first page of my bullet journal. So your bullet journal is basically your life in a diary. So this year I'm going to be maintaining a bullet journal, and in December I am going to be designing the pages. So you have two options: either you can design with your hands, or you can design online and on any designing app, and then you can get your pages printed. And next you need a diary. So here I'll be needing a lot of pages, and all of them wouldn't fit in one diary. So I've got a binder, and I'm going to be swapping out months. And if you're printing pages, you'll need a diary where you can take out your pages and then put them back in. So here I've got ready-made pages, A5 size from Amazon, and hole punched according to the size of my binder. Also, instead you can print on A4 paper or A3 paper. Use a paper cutter to adjust it to the A5 size, and then you can use a hole puncher to punch holes. You can choose whichever way which is easier for you. Moreover, if you're using alcohol markers and they bleed a lot, you'll need thicker pages, but here I'm using brush pens and I don't need a lot thick pages. Now next, you can design your journal pages according to yourself. You can take inspiration from somebody else. So for your bullet journal, you need a pencil, your scale, washi tape, and black pen. Washi tape is for decoration, and the other three things are essential. So even if you don't have decoratory stuff like stickers and all, you can always maintain a bullet journal. Your bullet journal can consist of a lot of art or less art, and all of that totally depends on you. But since I like color, I'm going to be putting a lot of decoration, a lot of design in my bullet journal. So for designing the pages, I have used Canva. So I'll be printing my pages, and I'm going to be designing some of them on paper by myself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And our design is done. Thanks for watching. Bye.